Yo, yo, yo. What up, what up, what up? What up, what up, what up? Ich bin hier gerade noch in einem Trade, den ich von earlier noch offen habe. Gleich fängt die 30 Candle an hier. Ich denke, wir müssen hier einmal kurz noch hoch auf jeden Fall.
Order filled.
Ja, ich habe die hier mal gesellt. Ich da kein Risiko eingehen wollte. Wunderschönes Volume hier gerade. Ich denke halt overall, wir sollten hier ziemlich bullish sein into das Ganze hier oben. 4 Hour und sonst was sieht auch alles eigentlich ziemlich geil aus. Komm, wir haben ja jetzt 2 Candles overtaked, die hat jetzt extrem Liquidity genommen. Also ich würde hier den Candle Flip bei 270 auf jeden Fall sehen. Zumindest, dass der mal getried wird. Also das würde ich auf jeden Fall sehen. Ja gut, haben wir hier oben schon einmal. Und hier jetzt nochmal basically. Ich weiß nicht, was mit Topstep schon wieder los ist, aber die Plattform buggt schon wieder wie scheiße. Ja. Es ist wie es ist, wa? Aber ich bin hier overall, wie gesagt, sehr, sehr bullish, weil wir hier wirklich eine stronge Zone haben. Und wir haben halt hier auch alles einfach geskippt. Also so basically wirklich alles. Und deswegen denke ich, könnte man hier eigentlich nochmal so eins dieser Upper Levels hier erreichen. Sowas hier zum Beispiel. Oder was ich gerne sehen würde, wäre hier oben diese Highs. Die würde ich unglaublich gerne nochmal sehen. Also das halt ist so mein Main Target. Also das denke ich ist am likelysten, dass das hier passiert. I mean, wir sind hier so unter die Zone gebrochen, haben hier nicht diese Canning gemacht und haben erstmal den Sell continued, so komplett, man sieht ja, wir haben komplett erstmal executed. Wir haben versucht hier unten das Low zu nehmen, haben wir gehalten. Das Einzige, was für mich hier Sinn macht, ist wirklich, dass wir hier in diese FEG reinkommen, die ja auch gleichzeitig hier diese Supply Zone ist quasi und quasi hier hochgehen und dann maybe bouncen. Aber was anderes macht hier vorher für mich eigentlich keinen Sinn. Wir sind hier auch gerade schon wieder 100 Punkte im Profit, Bro. Und der scheiß Chart lädt nicht, was überwack ist. Aber so ist es halt. Was soll ich machen? Jetzt lädt der Chart. Nice. Da sind wir wieder. Also, ich würde auf jeden Fall sagen, wir halten das Ding bis hier oben in diese Zone da. Hier könnte es nochmal gefährlich werden, weil das ist halt echt eine Sell Zone hier. Und wenn wir das quasi nur taken und dann wieder runtergehen, dann wäre das sehr, sehr kritisch. Ich markiere deswegen diesen Punkt nochmal als einen Liquidity Point. Wir nehmen mal lila. Text Liquid Point. Da waren wir gerade auch kurz ab 2K, aber jetzt schon nicht mehr. Ich frage mich, was da gerade passiert ist. Ja, okay, wir haben in diese Zone getestet, aber wir waren noch nicht an dem Ding, also ist, glaube ich, alles gut. Ich glaube, dann ist alles gut erstmal noch. Ich öffne mal Spotify, währenddessen das hier nicht lädt. Ja, wir sind auch schon wieder ab fucking 3K oder so. Das ist geisteskrank. Ich so mal auf den Dings traden würde. Von der Dicker. Und einfach so quasi für Open Risk gehen würde. Aber ist egal. Ich brauche nur 40 Punkte. Ja, wir kriegen jetzt die kleinen Dump nochmal in diese FEG. Das ist auch sehr likely gewesen. Also das hat auch Sinn gemacht jetzt hier. Weil wir halt da oben in eine Major Zone rein sind. Und so, wir müssten aber oben die Liquidity auf jeden Fall nehmen. Also das sollte unser Liquidity Target gerade erstmal sein, bevor wir hier irgendwas anderes machen. Ja, wenn ich jetzt reinscannen würde, würde ich nochmal auf Lower Timeframes gucken, aber ist nicht nötig. Ist nicht nötig. Aber ihr seht, wir haben da auch einen wirklich wunderschönen Entry. Ich habe eigentlich hier unten drin geentert. Ich glaube so ziemlich hier habe ich geentert. Oder maybe auch hier. Ich glaube maybe sogar hier. Weil das halt ein likely Buy war einfach. Also ich fand die Daily Buys sahen super, super bullish eigentlich aus. Also wo ich da quasi das erste Mal drauf geguckt habe, waren wir noch hier unten. Und ich dachte hier schon so, boah, wir sind eigentlich so Major Supply. Also das könnte schon gut nochmal hochpushen. Und ich meine so die nächsten Highs quasi, die wir jetzt zum Retest bräuchten, sind halt hier so. Also entweder man nimmt halt die Gap oder man nimmt halt diese Highs. Und wir hatten ja hier eine strong Candle, also davor so, die aus beiden Kerzen ausgebrochen ist. Deswegen war so dieser Retest quasi und dieses Abgehen davon war für mich eigentlich einfach likely. Also hat für mich Sinn gemacht, sagen wir es so. Lass uns ein wenig Gunner hören. Mal wissen die neuen Songs. Es wäre nice, wenn zumindest der Chart mal auch Price Action anzeigen würde, so. Aber ich weiß nicht, ob das einfach nur Träume sind. Ah, danke. Wir sind da gerade an dieser Zone, die ich eingezeichnet hatte auch nochmal. Weil wir die bouncen, wäre ziemlich stark. Ja, schaut's euch an. Wir sind hier gerade ab 100 Punkte schon wieder. Also wir waren eben schon fast 200 ab. Aber lasst uns hier mal den 15 Sekunden ein wenig checken. Wir haben halt hier diese FVG, die uns hier rausgebounced hat. Und wenn wir aus der jetzt nochmal Volatility kriegen, würde ich hier nochmal adden. Weil wir haben hier unten in diese FVG auch ziemlich nice reingetappt, so. Die Liquidity gecapped. Wir haben basically jetzt hier 50% aus dem Ding. Komplett, wir haben auch drüber geschlossen.
Order
also ich kauf das hier. Das sind für mich sehr, sehr viele bullische Signale noch. Also sehr, sehr viele. Und diesen FVG-Fill kann man ja sehen, also wir haben hier schon, ich glaube, drüber sogar geclosed. Also das war quasi nochmal Retrace und boom. So sehe ich das auf jeden Fall. Deswegen habe ich nochmal geaddet. Das ist der First Close below. So, wir haben sogar, glaube ich, unter dem, haben wir unter dem hier geclosed? Ja, barely. Maybe, also ich sollte jetzt hier eigentlich ein paar Profits covern. Aber ich packe den Stop einfach mal erstmal Break-Even. Also ein paar Profits sollte ich hier oben wirklich eigentlich mitnehmen. Die Frage ist halt, wie weit müssen wir hier in den Dip, um quasi Liquidity zu holen. Es könnte auch gut sein, dass wir hier unten nochmal rein müssen. Aber will ich ihm diesen Stop nochmal geben, ist halt die Frage. Und ich glaube eigentlich eher nicht, oder? Dann adde ich, also dann gehe ich lieber in eine neue Position dann. Wir machen unseren Stop einfach mal hier unten an das Candle Low jetzt. Wenn wir hier nochmal turnen, dann sind wir halt out und gucken nach einem Re-Entry. Aber sonst bleiben wir hier halt drin. Ich kann das hier nochmal ein bisschen nicer einzeichnen alles.
Order
Also das hier
filled.
ist halt eine Major Buy Zone, würde ich sagen. Also wenn wir die Liquidity hier taken und also quasi hier einmal drunter gehen, die Liquidity taken und davon hochgehen, das wäre für mich sehr likely. Wir haben ja halt auch diese Wicks noch, also wenn du jetzt hier auf den 1 Minute guckst. So, Price Action ist eher bullish, du siehst ja, runtergegangen, in der Kerne noch geclosed, wieder draus gegangen, hier wieder runtergegangen, nicht ganz drin geclosed, also ich würde einfach mal mein Limit bei hier unten hinpacken. Vielleicht so. Hier lädt ja schon wieder nichts, also ja. Ja, guck mal, wir haben Entry sogar gehittet.
Order filled.
Ja, okay, ich panic bei jetzt hier einfach, weil ich es nicht sehen kann, wo wir sind, Digga. Das ist halt crazy. Guck mal an, wo die Candle ist und wo mein Entry jetzt war. Damn! Das ist halt geisteskrank. Ich wurde hier so rausgebrochen. Das war eigentlich mein Entry
Order
hier.
filled.
Geistes. Ich wurde gebrochen. Aber das sollte trotzdem hochbein eigentlich. Aber ich weiß ja nicht, ob das hier schon die Reaction war, quasi, die wir nur wollten. Weil das war eigentlich alles, was ich sehen wollte hier. Ich denke halt, wir sind hier immer noch overall bullish und das ist halt eine ziemlich stronge Buy-Zone hier. Deswegen sind wir halt hier rausgegangen. Aber wenn wir jetzt hier nicht zu viel sehen, würde ich auf jeden Fall Break-Even gehen. Ja, guck mal. Schön Break-Even hier. Wir sind sogar outside geclosed. Ich guck mal die 2 Minute hier an. Ich kann zwar nichts sehen, aber ja. Ab 1.1. Ich cover jetzt
Order
hier mal 3.
filled.
Damn, guck mal, wie der shootet, Jungs. Geisteskrank, wir gehen hier so hart hoch. Digga, der hat hier fast mein TP gerade automatisch gesmashed, so. Aber ich lasse den laufen, holy fuck. Weil, also so overall, wir haben hier Potential, wirklich komplett die Highs hier zu nehmen und diese Gap halt zu fillen, zumindest. Und I mean, so, wir haben jetzt hier das Main Liquidity Target, glaube ich, genommen. Also so eins der Main Liquidity Targets. Es nervt halt ultra, dass der Chart einfach nicht lädt. Ich sag ehrlich. Ab 4K gerade. Die Volatility momentan ist wirklich geisteskrank. Warte mal, wo sind wir denn im Chart ungefähr? Hier. Ja, okay. Wenn wir da Full TP kriegen, bin ich satisfied, Digga. Das wäre crazy. Wir sind ja schon fast dran, also. Das Ding ist halt 4-Hour-mäßig. Wir könnten halt noch viel höher. Ich hatte, glaube ich, Daily irgendeine nice Zone.
Order filled.
Ja, guck mal, wir wurden hier gefillt. Fuck, Digga, 5k. Ich hatte nämlich dieses High hier outmarked. Weil ich glaube, das ist ein sehr likely Target.
Order filled.
I'll just buy in this. This got a nice retrace. I didn't see the candle though, but I think this should probably hold here. I don't think we're getting too much downside. Like this is, like we crossed this high and like look how far we crossed above that. Like we crossed above all liquidity there. It's logically that we go back into this, but like we should continue here, definitely. But I would love to see the charts. It's not loading, bro. We're just gonna ride that fucker, I guess.
Ob zu Hause oder unterwegs, mit Premium ist deine Musik.
I mean, we can't see shit here.
Lade sie in höherer Qualität
I'd add out of this
Streame
if we get this. I don't know where that is, but like,
beliebiger
oh, that's at 100
Tipp
something
aufs
there.
Banner, um mehr zu erfahren.
It's annoying, bro, that I can't see anything here. Bro, where are we at already? We're up here already. Like, that's crazy, bro. God fucking damn it. That's crazy. What a day. Caught the whole fucking move. 500 points, bro. I think this is the most probable hitting point for us today in this in those highs. I'd love to add into this shit, but I can't see shit, so that's, I can just assume, like with price here, where we at. Alright, now I can see. I'm gonna buy out of this
Order
now.
filled.
Took liquidity in this gap, got a bit below the gap. I like that. It's not 100% like continuation, but like that's a good candle. Good bullish candle there. Let's see, we closed outside here with like no wick to the downside, so I'd expect us to go up here. I would even add like one more time, but I want to see this like kind of go before that.
Order
I'll
filled.
take that. Take the sweep of that high. I think we're going here. This is a nice buying zone, so we got a nice like buy out of this. And I think this wants to continue, so why not? Why not? Tell me why not? Like, and we could go break even here. Just barely took that liquidity now. Let's see. My stop is 300 on this. Yeah, I'm getting stopped here, I'm pretty sure.
Order filled.
Eh. That's alright. Like this is...
Order filled. Order
That was
filled.
just a dumbass. This is just the bottom here of the gap. Like I think even this is a bad
Order
entry
filled.
because I just can't see shit here. Like why the fuck isn't this shit loading? But this is a nice
Order
entry
filled. Order filled.
here. This is a pretty nice entry here. We're probably gonna test this gap here like once now. Nah, we're not. We're pushing up, I guess. Yeah, we're pushing up. This is still the same 5 minute. So this should get one more push here. I mean, yeah, we should get we should still get a push. This got 31 seconds. Same thing there. Oh, can't we get the push for real? That's crazy.
Order
Got ripped.
filled.
Got ripped right there.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take that one more time because we're still in this supply area. I'm just not sure if we have to tap this FEG. Risking a bit too much here, I guess.
Order
I'll take that
filled.
300 there, real quick. Because I want to see
Order
that retest
filled.
down there now. This retest here, I want to see that. Cat's going insane. Need to see that retest here now. That's pretty likely, I guess, too. But if this is not going, like, but there's like barely a wick there. But if this is not going, like, I have to take it out. I'm definitely setting this to 200 there. I want to give it its fair chance here to pop down. Like, I mean, we're rejecting heavy here. So, like, we got a fair chance for this to go, like, into this supply. Into this. We almost hit that there. I give it its time. I think this is a likely area there to hit. Pretty likely area here for bias. We should target that area. Like, I know this is the gap here, but this is the ultimate buying area for like buyers. This is like their wet dream. I'll give it its full 300 back. I want to see this hit. Like, I know there's this gap. Like, this is probably a dumb idea what I'm doing here, but I think it's very likely that we go back into this buying area here. Like, look at this. This is a very likely buying area. Bro, my cat is going insane next door. So I'd love to see that hit. Let's look here on the... Okay, 15 seconds I can see shit. But the 1 minute works, whatever. Like, whatever. Nice, there we go. This is exactly what I looked for.
Order filled.
Took it a bit too early there, probably. But that's alright.
Order
Buying
filled.
back right here. I take this as my buying. Like, this is the FEG. We filled this FEG here now. I mean, on the 5 minute, this looks great. Like, look at this. So we should see a pull up here. I want to keep my risk tight at 300. If I really see buyers here, yeah,
Order filled.
I'm gonna step in with 3 more. I really trust this now to flip. Like, the next upside, like, selling area would be like those highs, I guess. I'd figure those highs are very likely, very likely to get hit again. So I'm gonna take 3 at that. Those candles look good, I'd say. Like, not too shabby at least. I'm just not sure if this was like the move already. 53 points there. Could have taken some. Should have taken some, I guess. Nice, this looks good now. Like, I still think this is a zone that we should hit. To pull out 3 here.
Order filled.
Nice. That's what I looked for. And I think we're, like, either way we're gonna continue, kind of. I'd figure. We're up here somewhere now. But, like, kind of filled this, but we got a big wick to the upside there. Like, looking at the 50 minute, this already got printed. We got 10 minutes on the 30 minute to, like, get up there, but that's it after. somewhere up here right now. I can't see it. That's why I'm going with it with the cursor here. Up 1000 there. I don't see shit. Like, why the fuck isn't the chart loading, bro? That's ridiculous. Nice. Oh my god, look at this candle. What the fuck? Look at this mirroring here. We should get biased to those up. Yeah, bro, we're gonna take the upside again. Like I said, on 30-minute, we got some time here. Just not sure if I want to hold this or if I want to take out some here. I'm pulling my stop up to 934 there. Either this goes further or we're getting stopped there at 404.
Order filled.
That's alright. Like, this will continue, but I want to take out some there. We should kind of test, like, I figure we should test this inverse gap.
Order
there.
filled.
I'm gonna buy like small entry here with the candle low as my stop, because this is right in the supply zone and we only got some seconds left here, so I'd expect this high at least getting tested. Overshot that, like took liquidity, but we're not there. I'll pull this break even in a second here. 3, 2, 1.
Order filled.
Filled. Guys, we're done. What can I say? We're done. Like, we're up 6.3k, bro. What do you expect? And I think we can, like, we should go even higher, like to those highs. As said, like, this is the target we're going for.
Order filled.
I'm gonna buy 6 more here. Even like this was probably a very dumb entry, but like we're close to those lows, so I'd expect this could work. I'm gonna look for one more entry that I can, so I can fix like my entry there. Get a bit lower, just a bit.
Order filled.
Yes, like that. Come on, get up. Our stop is here.
Order filled.
Took out 3 there to get a kind of better entry there. Like, now we can pull our stop back below there and just let that fucker ride. Right, this is crazy. I called out the whole thing. That's like completely crazy. And I mean, up here, this is a likely area. Like, we could actually, like, this is picture perfect, guys. This is picture perfect zone. I think this will hit end of the day, like, or this definitely can hit end of the day.
Order
Buy
filled.
3 more here. Pretty nice FEG test. Like, we're far above, come back down, test this FEG, and like bump it to the upside here. That's what I expect. Stop goes to 300 again. Like, look at this, guys. I can't give you any better entry than this. Like, for real, I can't give you any better entry. Like, you just got an entry off of 455 and you're already up like 36 points right here. At top 40 points there. And we should continue. Like, you don't understand. This is 100 points, guys. You could be millionaires. Like, I'm up 6.3k, guys. We're almost up 7k right here. What the actual fuck? Coming back into this low here, I think. Like, I need to push above this, kind of. Then they're coming back into this area, 50%. And I'm buying another 3.
Order filled.
Boom, filled. Let's see. Oh my god, this instantly got up there. Come on, just trail it up. Oh! Don't kill me here. Don't kill me here. No, don't do it. Yeah, he's gonna do it. Pull up one more time.
Order filled.
I took it almost break even there. That's alright. Like, look at this 5-minute.
Order filled.
I'm betting, I bet you this is gonna pull up straight away. Like, you can't tell me this is not gonna close somewhere up here in 26 seconds there. Testing the gap there
Order
again.
filled.
I'm buying 3 again. Or testing the 1 minute gap here, sorry. We originally tested the 15-second gap, got a reaction off of that, so this is a nice buy. Five seconds on this. This should close somewhere up here. Not too good, but like above this candle, so figure that's okay. Still in this buying area here. Oh, I want to set this break even if I can. Nice, damn, perfect break even there, I guess. Komm schon. Push it up. Don't take me out here now. Just push it. This is a nice reaction.
Order filled.
Fuck me. I take the break even.
Order filled.
Like there's
Order
no
filled.
way we're not going up here. I'm serious. There's no way we're not going up here. This is such a weak zone. Like you could set your stop to like this candle low here. Like exactly 300 bucks. What I was looking for. I wish you get a major push out of here. Like there's like we took this liquidity. So I'd guess like this is a very big wick. So what we want to see is like this upside. This 50% of that wick here is what we want to see. And like if we can get that, as said, like this zone is very sexy up there. And looks very likely on the 30-minute. Like look at this. This looks beautiful, even with the gap here. This is like just picture perfect. Picture perfect. Crazy day today. Do we have some like where we can wick here or what? Nah, not really. Like this is more of a wick zone here, but we already did that a lot. So if you break here one more time, I'm out. Yeah. This doesn't hold the gap here. I'm
Order
out.
filled.
Boom. Still got filled. I think we're gonna push this up. Like it's very likely that we take that high, but like I want to be careful with what I enter and what I do.
Order filled.
But this is the only like possible buying area we got here. Like if we don't push from this, like we closed above this, so this was logical that we go back inside this, like test this, get positions, and then like boost
Order
it up
filled.
after. So I'm gonna add into this even. I think this is a logical play here. Should get an upside candle, strong upside.
Order filled.
Fuck me. That's strong downside.
Order filled.
I get 3 out of that, out of this OB, and out of this buying zone here. Maybe this was the buying zone already, and I just mistakenly, yeah, because this is the high, like this was a mistake that to count this as a buying zone there. That was a mistake from my side. We got lows here, so this would be a likely buying area for me. If we don't push before that. Yeah, like that. So we're looking for buys out of this area.
Order filled.
Took 3 there. Nice, there we go. That's what I wanted to see. As I said, we're not risking heavy here. We need to see this gap kind of hold, because we're also in this gap. Didn't really close below it, but like
Order
almost.
filled.
Okay, got stopped there. I'm just not sure if we maybe need to see some more downside before we go up. Because we're ranging in this like very long here now. Let's see if this next 5 minutes brings some clarification to this. Because this is lots of buyers here now. We're hitting this FEG there.
Order
perfect.
filled.
I think I'm gonna buy this again.
Order filled.
Heavy size here. Stop goes to the low of the gap. Perfect 300 there. So for me, a perfect trade.
Order filled.
That's crazy.
Order filled.
Yeah, oh my god, I got fucked so hard there.
Order filled.
This is gonna push, I'm pretty sure. I got fucked so hard there out of my entry. That's ridiculous. Shit, bro, that's ridiculous. Damn, I'm gonna make it all back like in a second here, but still, this is so annoying. Still, that's annoying. There comes the push, as called out from my side. Up 1,000 right here, so we made everything back. But I'm gonna let that run. Like, we look at this liquidity, like even the side is like fucking lagging.
Order
7-3
filled.
there. Just because we got so much volatility here right now.
Order filled.
Buying 3 more again. Barely test it and just go up. Yeah, I take that. I take that. That's good. That's good. That's good. Nice, nice. Good reactions here right now, guys. We're gonna break that fucking top again. As said, my likely target up here, 50% of that wick. We wanna get there.
Order
Buying
filled.
3 more. This looks so good. This looks beautiful. I'm gonna sell them back like at this top here at 81, but still this should like kind of push through. I'm just taking profits on the way, I guess. Do we want to test this gap one? Like, yeah, we could test this gap. It's alright for me. If we get this, I'm gonna take 3 more. Because we should just barely go there. I'm way up north, up in Canada, and no, in Canada, this is trying to fuck me. This looks good for a buy here. If this kind of flips again, I'm a buy.
Order filled.
Yeah, take that out. Stop goes to this kind of low. Watch this go up. Come on, take me out there. Yeah, you little bitch. You're gonna go up there again, I know. South 6 now, up there. Like, bro, don't do it. Like, bro, don't do it. No. Aw, don't do it, bro. Like, we can get this retest of this FEG here. That's why,
Order
why
filled.
I said don't do it. But we got filled there. We're up 7.3k now. Like, and there's so much sellers and buyers are just gonna fuck them now in a second. Just watch it, watch it. Buyers are gonna fuck them up, bro. Real heavy. I'm just not sure if we have to, like, get this FEG touch there now. That's why I pull up my stop here. But if we
Order
get this
filled.
buy, I'm gonna take it. 5 from down here. If I
Order
can get that.
filled.
Perfectly tapped there. Like, look how this holds. Damn, look how this holds. Damn. Spike that out one more time, but you saw how fast we did that?
Order filled.
Like, we're still
Order
bullish.
filled.
I'm going in heavy with a heavy position here. 10 micros. We're still so bullish here. Look at this. We should get back into this upper area here. But I don't like this press action, I gotta admit. Pulling that break even.
Order filled.
That's alright. Probably still gonna push here. Did we take sell side here? No, this didn't.
Order filled.
Board that. Stop is 227 bucks there.
Order filled.
Got fucked instantly. Fuck me. I should go for the buy area at least.
Order filled.
Bad fill there again. Like with this
Order
volatility,
filled.
it's so hard to get like nice
Order
entries here.
filled.
There's a nice gap there that I saw.
Order filled.
Damn, okay. I'm really trying to get some kind of sell-off here. I don't know if we have to test like this gap down there, but I'd expect us to take that 50%, which we didn't. Like even if I measure it like that, we didn't.
Order filled.
But this is a huge candle flip here now. Big candle flip here.
Order filled.
Bro, we're getting fucked right here.
Order filled.
Okay, this took lots of liquidity here now. If you want to sell down, probably from this area here, up here. Let's look how we react to that right there.
Order filled.
I got filled there, that's alright.
Order
I think
filled.
we're selling off. At least some more.
Order
Take
filled.
32 there. Take that. Let me look at the 15-minute here. How we closed. Not too
Order
good
filled.
Of a close there. But this should really pull up. Like this looks, to me, this looks like a real pull up. I'm just not sure if we have to get like this 50%. This
Order
50
filled.
tap down there. Kind of seems likely to me now. Kind of seems likely here. But like this is a good entry for those lows. Let's see supplies on here too.
Order filled.
I'll give it one more try. I'm gonna pull this break even fairly fast. Three, 2, 1.
Order filled.
Okay, got filled even before I could break even. I just don't trust this not going
Order
up here.
filled.
That's why I'm adding in. I just don't have my stop right here because I always go for 300, and 300 is way too less for this price action here, or for this liquidity at the moment here. So don't worry about that. But we kinda did like this candle there, which I don't like much. Touching that gap now. See if we can get that through. Like we close above this, inside the gap. 3, 2, 1. Break even.
Order filled.
Huh.
Order filled.
Nice. Got a good entry there, I guess. If we want to buy up, this is a perfect entry. sun on my body, I know that you got some issues. The way you talk to me, I can't talk. This doesn't give me too much bullishness here. Like, it's not bad, but like, not that much as I expected it to. This looks better. I'd see definitely a test in this area here. Because most of the people that entered short, like entered short here. On this candle break. So I'd love to see this area hit. Already did that. I figure we pushed here above the high there.
Order filled.
Add another 5. Going very tight with my stop here. Break even. I'll just break even it. I think that's best. That's
Order
exactly what I
filled.
expected us to do. I took 5 off of there, off that top. Maybe we can inverse this. Maybe we can really inverse this. Like, we could even mirror this candle. Like, this is a no wick candle here. Like, this is a likely hit, I'd guess. I can't see shit here. It's not loading. Now it is. Closed up inside that area. Yeah, there we go. This looks great.
Spür den Beat mit Premium. Du bist Fan spontaner Tanzpartys? Kein Problem. Lade deine Musik einfach
This looks
herunter
great.
und nimm sie überall mit. Ohne Werbeunterbrechungen und in hervorragender Qualität. Mit Smart Shuffle-Empfehlungen bringst du Abwechslung in deine Playlists oder übernimm
Should buy out of this zone heavy. There should be a big wick to the upside.
Order
Buy
filled.
this. I'm gonna go full risk here. At the low of this candle. Because I think we have a reasonable chance to push through here. Like, into this zone.
Order filled.
That's alright. Maybe that was enough. Where we're holding this uptrend so nicely. I definitely see us at those tops here. Taking those.
Order filled.
I take this again. Like, we closed above this, above those wicks. Got a like small downside wick, but like we're testing this downside wick right there. Like this.
Order filled.
Fuck me.
Order filled.
Get back into this. We're taking a quick 800 if we can get that.
Order filled.
Not too great here.
Order filled.
But this is the this is the support area. I just wanted to say that. I guess not.
Order filled.
Let's go on the 5 minutes here real quick. Can we look what we did here? Yeah, okay, it's logical that we get one more bearish candle here. But I'd figure we maybe dump from this point on. Go back down. Had sellers here, we didn't really close outside there. Pushed up, took all of this liquidity. Like, we could actually like just
order
reject
filled
this and go low. Go into the lows. Best entry here would have been probably out of this top side. Out of like this area. But that's alright, we still card it. Only thing I love is fucking cash rubber band. Like there's a zone here which you could definitely hit. Like there's also a zone here, way down here, because there are many OBs here. Close inside of that candle there. Took liquidity, closed some kind of gap there. It's testing the gap on a 1 minute right there.
Order
Sell
filled.
this. I added 3 into this. Stop is barely above that candle now. It's not too good, but like we should see bearish continuation here. Took liquidity, tested this FEG there again. Like we tested this one, yes I know, but like come on. This looks very bearish. Didn't close outside there, but like we should take some liquidity at least, yeah. That's what I figured, fuck. But this is also a strong returning point. Like
Order filled.
Like we definitely got the guts there to like go lower. I mean, look at that.
Order filled.
Just look at that. But the volume is so crazy. Like I'm in with 6 micros and this is like
Order filled.
you're getting instant stopped. If
Order
you're wrong.
filled.
Filled this gap now completely. I'd love to see this sell down now. Like we close outside of this now again.
Order filled. Order filled.
That's so bad.
Order filled.
Right now going into gambling mode, bro. This is not good. It's not good trading right now.
Order filled.
I mean, that's a major supply zone, right?
Order filled.
Yeah, that's a major supply zone. Like, what the fuck did I do here? Like, this is supply. Like, fuck. Like, look at this. This is so clear. This is not even hard to tell. Like, look at this. Tapped it, went off. Now we're tapping this low, so we should continue up somewhere here. Per 68, it's not rocket science, I guess. Let's see if this is happening.
Hey, bei Bessmann geht's ab.
Stimmt, kommt in die große Bessmann-Modewelt.
Maybe I just got baited
Markenkleidung für
again.
Groß und Klein zu
Or my entry is way too worse again.
Familien-
Like, if I set a bigger stop here, for sure I can like win way more trades.
Als Ausflugsziel zu Bessmann mit großem Kinderspielplatz und toller Gastronomie.
Besser Bessmann. In Breitenworbis direkt an der A38.
This is not really giving me what I wanted to see. But like we inverse this whole gap. I'm kind of satisfied with that. This is like another test into this. So if we see bullishness, I'd add.
Order filled. Order filled. Order
Damn,
filled.
bro, what the hell?
Order filled.
Which lows are the ones we're looking for? Like, why the fuck am I not going on the 5 minute? Like, that's so worse. Like I'm looking for this still, like the 50% of that wick.
Order filled.
Broke the high there, that's why I added. I know we're still in this OB, but this is way more likely to like follow through here. Through this OB. Coming back into this low, that's nice. I'm gonna
Order
add one more
filled.
time here. Come on, hold it, bro. Hold it. Send us up, bro. That's a nice tap into those lows. There we go. There we go. Come on. Don't. Oh my god. Yeah, okay, that's bad. That's
Order
so
filled.
bad. Holy fuck, bro.
Order filled.
Does that count? Out of those OBs? I'm just not too sure here. I gotta admit. But I'd still more think that we should push than we should go back down.
Order filled.
Still. Like we bored out of this area multiple times here.
Order filled.
This is a strong, this is
Order
a strong
filled.
fucking buy. I just have to risk like way more here, like get a bigger stop. But like look at this fucking shit. I don't know why I still like bored there. Like I think overall we are bullish, but like this consolidation here or this candle setup, like it's very bearish. Hopefully they're just getting baited. We're turning that whole fucker. Oh, nice. Nice candle there. This can really do some. $2K right there. That's sexy. 2.5K there. It's even more sexy. But like if we cross above this one more time, like this was the area where we like had the supply and went down. If we go above this one more time like we did here, we should continue higher. Like into this area somewhere here. No wick here. This is likely. Shit. I'm getting blinded like shit. Wait. Oh, shit, let me talk to him. Oh, that's perfect timing. I know that life I live is really selfish. I left behind the house so you can selfish. My brother's so helping. I guess it's just the cadence. We could even get more entries out of this low now. You could buy here. This is a nice buy.
Order filled.
Just doing it so you guys trust me more. That's why I added there too, even if I don't need it. I don't like that we took liquidity there and closed below that zone again. I really don't. But the wicks are way lower there, so it's okay that we closed below there, I guess. I think it is. I wish you the best. I wish you the best. Why you do that to me? Yeah, this looks like a stop here.
Order filled.
Shit. Still, we got 3k now again. I mean, if we rejected that again, like now I'd expect us to go lower, but like, look how this holds again.
Order
Trust
filled.
this one more time. One more trusting trade here. Only if we get strong reaction from this to the downside now, I'm out instantly.
Order filled.
That's alright. Okay, I'm gonna take the sell.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm full selling here. I think then we can really like push through the low there. Oh, this didn't stop me again. That's crazy. That was so close to my stop there. Oh my god. Do I go break even on this? I got break even on that. I didn't get tagged there, I don't know how. But we right now still in this. This really kept us inside for now. That's crazy. Does a sweep lower here even make sense? This looks so bullish there.
Order filled. Order filled.
Looks like we're
Order
grabbing
filled.
buyers out of this. But I don't know why I fucking bought there. That's such a bad buy.
Order filled.
That's like so dumb. Like I still think we're getting one big buy up here in a second.
Order filled.
But like how long is it gonna take? We should get one big push to the upside.
Order filled.
Damn! Yeah, okay, I was so confident about this buy.
Order filled.
Oh, that's so bad that I got stopped out there 2 times. Like just because I kept my $300 stop. Like yes, I have to go for a bigger stop. I think we're gonna get this whole upside sweep. Next 30 minutes is also in just a few seconds here.
Order filled.
Right at that midpoint there. Like I'd love to see us get a bit above that, like above that something. Like we're really trying to get above this to like sweep lower, get the entries here and then buy up. We're really not really getting it. Yeah, which one? Bitch, I know it's me, in the backseat. That's not too good of a 30-minute candle here. Just tested the FEG now. FEG testing here. That's nice. That's a nice flip there. It's probably gonna dump here. Yeah, that's probably gonna dump. Come on, I need to see a strong push here. That's a strong push, kind of. Took out all the liquidity again. Hold me in this, please. Nice. 300 in this now. 600 here. Looks good for that high sweep.
Silence!
Nice. Thanks for the follow, bro. Oh got 9, bro. Hell no. Should get a big push
Order
here.
filled.
Still getting the push, I think, but we got stopped there. This is finally doing what I expected it to, so I shouldn't
Order
leave that
filled.
trade, I think. Damn, I got in 20. That's way too much. Get me out
Order
of 10.
filled.
We should continue this higher. Like, we should get up here. I'm gonna sell 5 there. I guess I'm killing something. Come on, get it up there. Just some points more.
Order filled.
Nice, we got filled there. With one big volatility candle up here, 20 points.
Order
I'll
filled.
buy this one more time. We got those lows there that are looking pretty juicy for this upside. Just don't take me out here. Just don't take me out here, please.
Order filled.
That's pretty annoying. Like, I'm pretty sure we're gonna take this high.
Order
now, but
filled.
this is just giving so much fake outs here. Can we get a second push? There's a second push. Nice. If this stops me out, I'm definitely going for a sell here. I think the supply zone is pretty strong. And it could be that we get downside off of that before we go up.
Order filled.
That could very
Order
well
filled.
happen here. me get on a 15-second here again. Should at least take this low here. Reddington, bro, I don't even
Order
care
filled.
about your opinion, bro. We made 6k today. We're up 7k with clean trades, not even down one bit. So I don't fucking care what the fuck you're saying. Just cause I trade like in another way that you do. Like, I don't care. 60k? Yeah, what now? Like, I'm trading 5 to 10 micros. What you expect, bro?
Order filled.
This should get some here. Took that low now. I think I'm
Order
stopped there.
filled.
Yeah. Like, we got the chance now to get to that top, I'm pretty sure.
Order
Let's
filled.
do 5 here in this low. We're keeping our stop at this breaker candle that we had here. I still expect us to hold this and shoot up to the top here. Reddington, I don't even know what you do here, bro. Aren't you a follower? What the fuck? It's ridiculous. Fucking dumb. I'm just not sure if we have to grab those lows here one more time before we can go up there. Yeah,
Order
this is too much
filled.
liquidity. I'm gonna go for this entry right here. Did we miss it? No, we didn't.
Order filled.
There we in. This should work now. We got like good upside here, even though we like hit the supply here, as I said. That's why I closed out up there, but I didn't expect us to come that far down. I'd have to say that. We should hold this zone now and get up there. It's a pretty clean buy here, I think. Something like at least this I'd expect us to do. Still on the day. Like, I don't know if I get stopped here because I keep my range or my stop pretty tight. But this looks okay, I'd say. Definitely getting buyers out of this area. But this FEG test here, I just don't like that we just filled this and like next candle close below. We're just gonna keep that running. Right in that zone.
Order filled.
Oh damn, we got a big spike down here. That's alright, we still up 3k. 30-minute was, yeah, very small here. But we like got into those lows and got the reaction out of it, so I'd expect us to go lower. I mean, look at that. We didn't even close like inside there. Yeah, I must sell this for micros.
Order filled.
Very bad entry there, but just for stream. Just doing it for the stream. Like, this would be the best entry you could get out of this. This right here.
Order filled.
It's just 100 more, so if we get sub, we get sub. But we should kind of hold this. That's why I added there. We're gonna get the 4 out if we can get below this one more time. Else we're gonna take the loose on this. Because we got a very bad fill here, obviously. Like, this was a very bad fill. Gonna take
Order
out the 4,
filled.
so we have a better entry here. stop is up here now. And TP would be somewhere below this. Like, let's look on the 5 minute if we get some gaps or something here. Let's see if we hold in this area or if this really can just dump through. I mean, as said, on 15 minute, like, we took this liquidity again, jumped in this supply area there, so like we could get a retest of this fair value gap that we bounced out of. That was crazy. Retesting that area.
Order
I
filled.
like this price action. I'm gonna take my stop down. We're doing this. Like, this is the low we should target, yeah. Those are irrelevant, like, we should hit this. If we want to see, if like sell side want to get taken a bit, we should hit this. Not this. Like, maybe this, but like, this should be main target here. Because this was first up, first down, took the up, needs to take the down if we want to. I just don't like the testing around this area. Let's see if this was enough. No. Yeah, it's crazy. Today's
Order
very
filled.
volatile day. But I can live with 2.5k. I mean, look at the performance stats today. We're already up 8k this week, and like, look at this. We were up 7.3k, so like, without even going into heavy drawdown or anything. Like, this was before market even opened, and I corrected my buyers. Like, this was just correction for the buyers here, because I did an earlier trade before market opened, and I called that out at the start of the stream. And like, after that, we just straight away, like, look at this, straight away just went to huge profits. 6.4k. I'm definitely okay with 2.4. Gets that retest there. I'm gonna
Order
take this
filled.
chance, this last chance I'm gonna give it. If this doesn't hit, we're done for the day. Because this is a good short setup, like a nice candle placement, if you can say that. This is nice candle placement for a sale. I feel like Bieber. Let's see if we can get a big dump. Are we getting much buyers like out of this support zone here? Keep up. Like, this is right the reverse point of this move, of this like whole 15-minute candle. So if this like gets above this again, I'm out for $58 loss. If not, we're gonna ride this fucker down till this lows. Like somewhere here. 128. 6.66 RR. But this looks pretty bullish, I'd have to admit. This still got lots of bullish momentum here. That's why I wanna, like, I should probably trail this. Keep up. pull it up here? Or should I just get some profits here? Probably should, right?
Order filled.
We take it. That's alright. I take the quick profit there. Like, this is a huge supply zone here, and we're just ranging around that. That's kind of weird. Buyers here. Did we take that out? Yes, we did. I think we can get the big candle here and get this top.
Order filled.
I think that's pretty likely to happen here. Like the full inverse of this and like coming back to this top. Because this is a very strong buying zone now.
Order
I'm
filled.
adding this. It's way too huge of a stop. 300 here. Okay, finally I can see the candle. That's pretty nice. Perfectly topside with this candle on the left side here. I said, even like looking at this and this looking very bearish, like we have so much buyers out of this zone. We like created buyers here, took this liquidity, took all of this, and like we should get an extension out of this. That would make lots and lots of sense. Fill this FEG there, I guess. But I should look at higher time frames here for more confirmation probably. So if we lose this, that's alright. Just because I didn't look at higher confirmations.
Order filled.
Like look at this. This just looks so weird. But I mean, do we have good lows here that we should like kind of retest? Like yeah, this is... I'd say this could be a weak area here. Ah. Is this just bait again? I mean, we were already up here.
Order filled.
I'll take this chance based off of those lows back here as a resistance point again, taking lots of liquidity again. But like this top here is very strong, I guess. So this will probably push us through. Yeah. Yeah, alright. Should have taken this sell
Order
instead.
filled.
I know. I'm just not sure if I can trust this. Like, do we have to get back into this like lows? Shit is super bad.
Order filled.
I like this. Getting a quick break even here. I'm gonna take that at the candle flip here.
Order filled.
That's alright. You take the break even. Like we closed above that. Like maybe we really have to hit this area here and like bounce off of that. That could make lots of sense here.
Order filled.
Taking 4. Looking for the next entry here.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take this. Should see a push up. But not getting it.
Order
Oh, man.
filled.
Holy shit, what's happening here?
Order
this
filled.
Gap there. It should push like heavy.
Order filled.
Like I think this could be one of the best positions today. But this...
Order filled.
Oh my god. Alright. Sorry, bro. Didn't know.
Order filled.
There were lots of buyers there. You could just see that, how that popped up. There were lots of limits there that got triggered. But that's crazy.
Order
like,
filled.
Look how far down we go.
Order filled.
That even though we are in this returning zone. What am I supposed to do? Bro, it can't be that we have to go back all the way down here. No way. Yeah, we're going here.
Order
Close
filled.
this out, break even. I'm looking for
Order filled.
this entry down here. We should extend this lower to this to this lag here. Like that's the only thing that's reasonable here. That makes sense now. That would make a lot of sense. Get it down there.
Silence!
Order filled.
Okay. Price action is too much for me today, I guess.
Order filled. Order filled.
Last position I'm gonna take here. If this isn't going to that bottom here, I don't know what's going on. And that means I'm gonna leave the charts. Because that, all of that, like right now, doesn't make any sense to me. Like we don't want to push to the downside, we don't want to push to the upside. So I'd expect us to come into this FEG area here. Into this lower FEG. $32's down here. I take the follow, bro. Just because I still need followers. Can this send down or can it not? I would expect us to now get this bottom there. Would still make sense to me. Right. Bet. Just gonna take some time here. I know. Come on, send it down one more time. I lock in 300 there. Yeah, it's gonna take me out.
Order filled. Order filled.
Last try. I'm gonna give it here. But we see some buyers out of this. Still, we touch this level again, so this looks like a sell still. Come on, get below this shit. Three, two, one. Huh. Cause if everybody like me, I can't wait an hour, but you had to play the flip.
Order filled.
Nice, we got it filled both ways there. I'm gonna pull this up. Cause we should get a big buy out of this, like a big spike up. Yeah, that could already be it. Could have been already it. Much buyers in this zone. One more sweep of this, getting below it, like a good amount. We should see a push it back above. A close inside this would be nice, but yeah. Close right into this FEG. Let's see how far we can push this back up. If we we can get those highs, this should be likely. Because we still got sellers here. But I'd want to see this high here. Just some more.
Order filled.
Nice.
Order filled.
I'm gonna sell this. I'm gonna try that because sellers should try to at least like bump it lower. We can go on 15-second here, just to have a clear vision of it. Three, two, one, and I'm gonna set it break even. That's nice, I take that.
Order filled.
Yeah, I take that. We saw a good amount of buyers in this area, as you could tell. Like we can go back up here. But I think we should really close out here. Got us back to 2.2 here. But we closed back inside this wick there.
Order
I
filled.
like that. $300 stop here. I expect us to push some more to get to kind of this area. Yeah, but this is not too much here.
Order filled.
No, it barely wicked
Order
me out
filled.
there. Fuck me! It just took my stop and went up, bro. Re-entered in this way too heavy. But this was a good reaction there.
Order filled.
Didn't even tap my thing there. Still got tapped out.
Order filled.
I take this low entry in this buy zone. I don't like this. Looks like so much bearish rejection here still. Even though we should kind of get up.
Order filled.
Okay, we're gonna do one last trade here. And I'm gonna look for everything here before we enter anything. FEG, close inside, barely close outside there. Liquidity, took liquidity. Got a big wick here. 50% of that wick is at this level. At this level, we had on lower time frames, we had this area where lots of people sold. We took that out. We have this selling area here, which are in right now. But this could actually at this point like keep it up. Just looking at this like trend line.
Order
Take
filled.
that topside entry here for that sale. Maybe I was a bit too early in this. Yeah, I was too early in that.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'll take it from that top. Just like, do we have to retest this FEG here? Like, there are sell opportunities in that. It could be a thing. Quickly break even here
Order
again,
filled.
just because I think we're gonna test this. would sell this heavy.
Order filled.
Okay, we're in. See if I get spiked out instant here.
Order filled.
Damn, bro. Do we really have to go back up here?
Order filled. Order filled.
We're in this strong rejection zone here. But like...
Order filled.
300 is too less of a stop for today.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take this entry one more time because this is like the point where everybody entered their shorts.
Order filled.
So that's really the last thing I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna close out the charts after this trade. We're gonna give it a fair stop of like 800 up there, but I'm not gonna give it any more, or then do any more here. Because like, look at this. Today's so unpredictable.
Order filled.
Look at that shit, bro.
Order
Holy
filled.
fucking shit. Today's so unpredictable. If we push out of this area, I'm out. That's kind of good for us.
Order filled.
Can't see continuation in this.
Order filled. Order filled.
Can't see any continuation. That's why I bought. This looks like we're not going up. We're not going down. Just taking liquidity in this, like getting buyers in this. Still, we made some on the downside sell there, even though we lost like everything we had, almost. But where do we need to go? Like, do we need to go up here to this? I still think we can push here. It's just if it's gonna take me out before it again. We should inverse this again here. And that should be a big confirmation if we get that.
Order
I'll take
filled.
that. Looks good. I still think we can push.
Order filled.
Like, bro, keeping it at 300 with that
Order
like,
filled.
with that much contracts is
Order
like, so
filled.
hard. Like, I should at least keep like this kind of stop to my positions, you know? Because like my trades still go, but like I get stopped because I keep my stop way too, or because I go with way too much like size into it. Pretty much inverse this now again.
Order filled.
Yeah, this is pushing. This will push up completely. Should get this push here. Like we still could like go above this high one more time, like exactly here, because we have what's it called? Like we have that candle high there still, which we didn't take. Or is it like this candle high we still got there? Not this candle high. Like the 50% of this wick is there. Like right there. Can mark that out. It's right here. Like that. That's it right there. Like we still can take that 50% of that wick. At least I think we like got a fair chance to do that, or it would make sense to do that. And I mean, most of the people went short here, so yeah. Let's see. Like we should at least get one more push above this, like into this kind of area here. Beautiful weather outside. Can we get that push now? Oh, damn, bro. I hate this price action. We should get the push above that. That's like why, I don't know why we don't. Like that's 100%. This is like the liquidity target we have right now. Like everything else wouldn't make sense. Like we broke trend line really good. And like if we got momentum, we should not like come back down, like test this inverse or this, like this kind of thing here. Like we tested it here. Like we shouldn't come here one more time and test this again. But this looks very bearish now. Let's see if this shatters us completely. Yeah, this will shatter my dreams here.
Order filled.
It's like we barely wicked this there, and if we pull up now, I'm just gonna scream, bro. Alright, but I think that's it for today. We won our first trade, which is the most important thing for me. We made 6k on this day, which is irrelevant because, or we made 7.4k on this day, which is irrelevant because it's just practice, and like this, I just continue trading for the stream. Makes the most sense because it's too boring otherwise.
Order filled.
So yeah.
Order filled. Order filled.
Should get a big sweep to the upside now.
Order filled.
Just trying to get my stats back into like the area I told you guys like I want to stop, which was about 2k. So somewhere in those highs. But you won't take shit from me. There comes liquidity. If we hit this, I'm out, and we're done for the day.
But you made me feel
Like I said, this up here is probably the liquidity target.
Order filled.
But I will take the 2.3 and just call it a day here. Because that's fair profit. We were up 7k and I said like multiple times like I would stop right here. So that's fine. I'm gonna take that 2.5 just for my stats. 7.7 on the week. That's alright. We did good on Monday. Like really good actually. Like look, this doesn't, like all of this doesn't count. Like first trade was I think like right here. We lost about 300, then made back like 300, lost some, went into drawdown here about I guess around 1.2 at 1.5. I mean yeah, around 1.5, and then we had a banger trade that made 5k or yeah, something around that. Yeah, but that's alright. We're done for the day. Have a great rest of your day, guys. See you again tomorrow, Thursday. And yeah, till then, have a great one. Bye bye.